Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, I have explained about the introduction part of Java full stack. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what kind of applications we can develop using Java. We know already Java programming is to develop the applications, but using Java, different kinds of applications we can develop, but mainly what type of applications? Two types of applications. One is a desktop applications, one is called desktop applications, second one is called server side applications. Server side applications. So first of all, what is a desktop application? The application will run on a single machine, on a single system, is called desktop application. Here the desktop applications we can develop using the concepts called core Java. Using the core Java concepts, only what type of applications we can develop means what? Desktop applications only. What is desktop application? That application will run on single machine, right? It will not run in a internet, only on particular system where you have installed. For example, MS Office. The two systems are there. Of course, two systems are connected, but you have installed MS Office in one system. You can use only in that system. You cannot open that MS Office from the second system. On which system you installed, right? We can run only from that system only. So that is called desktop application. Using core Java, we can develop only desktop applications. Again, desktop applications are divided into two types. One is console based applications, purely character user interface. Here it is a CUI applications. Second one is GUI applications. In early days, we use the concept called applets. Nowadays, using the concepts called swings and Java effects. So what are the GUI applications also? I'll explain. For example, I just want to implement one calculator to perform the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and all. CUI application means what? On the console, like a text we implement, enter two numbers, then they will give the input 10 and 20, then we are providing the output that sum is a 30. This is what? Purely console based application. We can say character user interface. Graphical user interface means what? We design the calculator. We design the calculator. Here we create all buttons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, equal to C, plus, multiplication, minus and division. Here we do all the calculations. Sir, how can we implement? The old approach is applets and the new approach is swings and Java effects. But both are desktop applications only, right? In the previous video, I have explained, right? Java mainly used to develop the server side applications where the client system is there, client system, server system is there, and we connect to the database using the concept called database management system. This is client and this is server, is connecting to the database to perform all the database operations. This one I have explained in the last video. Here now, server side applications means what? Here we are using that Java. What are the technologies we are using, right? In early days, right? Here in the application development, in the web application development, we use the concepts called servlets and JSP. And for database connectivity, we are using Java database connectivity. The technologies we are using servlets and JSP to write the server side programming, and for database connectivity JDBC, right? Nowadays, later from the technologies we upgraded to frameworks. What is the advantage of framework means what? Rapid application development. Quick application development is possible using the concept called frameworks, because ready-made things already available, directly you can utilize. For every simple thing, no need to implement the code. Rapidly we can develop the applications, which are called frameworks. The first framework they introduced is a Spring. Later they introduced is a Spring Boot. We learn all these things in a full stack. Right, JDBC is a later we use Hibernate, JDBC template, data JPA. Different technologies and different frameworks are available currently. So what are the frameworks are using in rapid application development means Spring Boot and data JPA. In the same way, to develop the client, normally we use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Right, as a basic UI technologies we are using to develop the client. Later they introduce the frameworks for Bootstrap. What are the reasons? I'll explain. React, Angular, anything you can use. These are also same frameworks. Any one framework we can use, and we are connecting right to the server side programming. Here it is, for every framework limitations are there, advantages are there. What are the advantages? What are the limitations? Whenever we are start learning all the frameworks, then one by one we will discuss. Simply in this video, what we have discussed, using Java, what kind of applications you can develop? Only two types. So one is desktop applications, second one is server side applications. Simply desktop applications, we can also call it as standalone applications. Standalone, that application will run on single machine, single system. Applications again divided into two types, CUI and GUI. Using the concepts of core Java, you can develop only desktop applications. Using the concepts of advanced Java like servlets, JSP, we can write server side programming in the web application development. Here it is JDBC we are using for database connectivity. So later they introduced frameworks also for rapid application development, for the quick development of Java application. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.